So we're doing the show me questions for the UK driving test. And then what you got to remember is they'll say when it's safe to do so. So don't feel like you've got to rush it in that second. So the first one, when it's safe to do so, show me how the horn works. That's a quick toot of the horn. Remember, don't do the horn when you're stationary or when you're at a junction or in queue of traffic, because you're going to attract the attention of people. When it's safe to do so, can you turn on your headlights, dip ones? So in this car, I'm turning them on twice and then turn it back to take them off. And this is the Honda Jazz, so Hondas tend to be in the same place. It doesn't matter that they're in a different place in my car than what you're learning in, because you're going to learn your car. So just practice them in your car. So the questions are the same. When it's safe to do so, can you open and close the front window on the driver's side? And what I would do is halfway or even fully, if you got the time to do that. I won't just do it a little bit, it's not enough. When it's safe to do so, can you clean the rear window with the window wipers and washers? So I'll just get through this little roundabout. So I'm getting myself straight and I'm cleaning the rear window, holding it towards me for a few seconds, cleaning it. When it's safe to do so, can you demist the rear window? So I'll get through this roundabout again. So I'm prioritising all the time. And they're not going to give it you in fast roads, not, you know, as far as I know they're not anyway. So there's the rear window and off it comes. When it's safe to do so, can you demist the front window, they'll say. Well, they've got time. There's the front one. Off it comes. Now, I know in different cars it's different things. And like I said a few seconds ago, if you're enjoying the video, click on like, click on subscribe. When it's safe to do so, can you clean the front window with the window wipers and washers? So I'm safe, holding it towards me for a few seconds. When it's cleaning it, it's an easy one. And I'll do a left turn here. So I'm hoping this is helping you, because as I say, and I know preparing for your test can be a while off, but it'll come, and you've got to be ready for these questions, because you don't want to get a silly fault for not knowing them. Good luck with your driving test when it comes along, and good luck with your driving.